Hey guys, Garrett here with Everlight AI. Today we are going to go over how to build a custom GPT for your organization. Now, why might you want to do this? Well, let's say you've got customer support specialists on the phone and every once in a while they get very niche questions they don't know the answer to. Rather than putting the customer on hold or saying, hey John, I don't know the answer to that, give me a few minutes to dig around and find that and I will give you a call back and let you know. You can just give them this custom GPT we build and they will be able to easily query the custom GPT and get the answers they need based on a knowledge base you provide. Now, in our example here, we are going to be using a fictional tax accounting firm I made up, AAA Tax Accounting, but this could easily apply to any kind of SaaS product with very dense documentation or anything with very domain-specific knowledge. Now, you will need a Plus membership with the GPT to create a custom GPT, so just make sure you've got that. But once that's done, go to Explore GPTs. We will go to Create, and then we've got our UI to create our custom GPT. You can upload your own photo or use DALL-E to just generate a random image. That part's not super important, but then we are going to put in our name. So we'll just add AAA Tax Accounting Assistant. We'll add the description, a customer support bot that assists in answering tax questions. We'll give it a simple set of instructions. Query the knowledge base you are given and respond to any questions with concise answers. Do not reference any other information outside of the knowledge base. Now, this part's very important if the questions the customers might be asking could be found on the web and that information might be different. If there's very domain-specific knowledge and you only want it to use your knowledge base, make sure you put something like this in here. We can skip the conversation starters since this isn't very much a conversation bot. This is more a customer service assistant bot, but then we'll upload our knowledge base files. I'll have this linked in the description if you would like to download and take a look at those. We'll turn off web search, Canvas, and DALL-E image generation because those will not be important to our customer support specialist. And then we can go ahead and preview our bot here. So let's say John gets a call and the customer is asking him what he needs to do if he gets foreign income, what forms he needs to fill out. Based on our knowledge base, he would need to fill out forms 1212, 2319, or form 1122334455. Obviously, those are just fake forms I made up, but I wanted those in here to make sure it's actually referencing our knowledge base and not trying to use its internal knowledge or the web. So let's say the customer says, what do I need to do if I get foreign income? What forms do I need to fill out? John, that's a great question. Give me 1 second. Let me find the answer to that for you. It looks like you would need to fill out form 12122319 or form 1122334455. And then it gives the little description of the forms and any other information that it thinks would be useful in the knowledge base to the customer support specialist. And it's just that simple. Now all we would need to do is click on create, make sure anyone with the link is selected, click save, and then this will give us a link that we can share with our customer support specialists to easily access the knowledge base or the custom GPT. And there we go, AAA Tax Accounting Assistant. Now, if you would like to cut out the middleman and free up time for your customer service specialists to focus on more important tasks, Everlight AI does offer voice agents. You would give it a custom knowledge base similar to this, and it would respond in a similar fashion, but it would convert the text to speech and be able to interact with the customer over the phone. If you'd like a free demo of that, let us know. There's a way to contact me in the description below, and we can build a demo for your business so you can kind of see what it would be like with the customer talking to the voice agent. Also, if you would like to play around with this, I will include the link that it gave us in the description of the video. So if you would like to play around with it, that's going to be there as well. If you learned something, give me a thumbs up so YouTube knows I'm putting out good stuff. Hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.